Coach Alicia and Kenny. We're going to teach you a game called Blizzard, and this is a game that you can play by yourself or with 2 people or with more people. So all you need to do is cut up pieces of paper into thin strips. Any paper, newspaper, and it's called Blizzard because you're going to make it snow. So one way you can play this game is to start off with a couple of pieces of paper, and then you're going to throw it in the air and then try to catch it. And you can see how many pieces of paper you can catch. Okay, ready?
No!
That was really hard. I caught one.
I got none.
Can you pick them up? So for each round, it doesn't matter how many you catch. You can just keep adding more for each round, okay? So we started off with a couple of pieces, so now we're going to add more pieces. And make sure you throw them high so it's easier to catch. Ready? 1, 2, 3. This is a hard game.
I got one. How
okay.
many did you get?
None. I picked these up from the ground. Okay?
Cool.
Now, another way you can play is to challenge another player. So each of you can start off with your own pile, and then instead of working together, you're playing against each other. So when you throw them in the air, whoever catches the most snowflakes wins. Ready?
Yeah.
1, 2, 3.
I got 2.
I got 2. Nice. Ouch!
Good job, nice try.
No, we got tied. Anyways, if you don't have paper, you can use plastic bags. It's another way of Blizzard in this game too. You can play by yourself or with other players. And the goal of the game is to try to keep all the bags in the air and to not let them fall. Like this. Fall on the ground, that's okay. Just pick them up and try to keep as many in the air as you can. So this game is called Blizzard. Hope you have fun. Bye.